Hello, in this video I am going to cover how to use the OR instruction. The OR instruction works on a binary level. We are going to specify numbers, but you could specify hexadecimal values or the binary values directly. So if you already know what the OR instruction does, fantastic. If not, I'm going to do a quick recap. So on a binary level, we got these two numbers here. First one is 10 and the second one is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So what it does, it gets the actual binary value, which is this for 10 and this for 3. It goes from right to left and it checks, it compares the two bits. If at least one of them is on, then you'll result in true. So 0 and 1, this one is on, this gives us a 1. Both of them on, still going to give us a 1. These are both 0, so this will result in 0. The first one's on, so this will result in 1 and 0 for the rest of them because they are all zeros. So the new value that we get is 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is 11. So if I was to actually perform that, first of all, you need to move these into a register. I'm going to use the ESP and the EBP registers because they are not being used. You could use any registers you want, and they don't have to be 32-bit registers either. So the numbers were 10 and 3. So 10, we're going to move into the EBP register 3, and to do the operation, you do OR, and then you specify the registers, so ESP and EBP. Something to note: once this does the operation, the result will be stored in ESP. So whatever is here will get overwritten. EBP will be fine. This can actually just be a value like that, for example, because this is the only one that's required to store the result. Now if we run it, we don't get any change. But if you look, we got this, which is hello world with an exclamation mark. This results in 11. So if I use what's at ESP now for the length to print out, we get all of it except for the exclamation mark, and that's because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember the spaces are counted as well: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So it's printed out 11 characters. So this is how you do the OR instruction in assembly. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.